2021 Bronco First Edition. Is it the best of the best? Well, to make a long story short, I think it is. Now, at the very top of Ford's new off-roading lineup sits the 2021 Bronco First Edition, which is without a doubt the most exclusive example of a reborn off-roader, limited to just 3,500 units. Now, the last thing I heard is they actually moved it up to 7,000, and still, they're all sold out. But boy, oh boy, is this Bronco packing a lot of hardware and technology goodies that can be found on the lower trim models. This special edition Bronco is for the biggest fans, and fans with a big pocketbook, that is. Now, a combination of Badlands, mechanical bits, Outer Banks interior trims, the Wildtrak slick exterior touches the first edition packs nearly the entire catalog of options available for the off-roader. From the factory, under the hood, is a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, making 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. That power is routed to the new advanced 4x4 system with automatic on-demand engagement and a high-clearance suspension from the Badlands model. The system also features electronically locking differential, front and rear, and trick front stabilizer bars that can disconnect for more articulation on the trails. The first edition is on the exterior of the truck that the Ford Bronco First Edition really separates itself from the lower trims. The first edition hood and body side graphics are the most identifiable by all the features, along with a black painted grille with a white Bronco badge, an upgraded modular front bumper with the available brush guard. Rock rails and tow hooks also help to give the off-roader a more aggressive and down-to-business appearance. The 17-inch high-gloss painted forged aluminum beadlock capable wheels and black also look mighty good, wrapped up in the standard 35-inch mud terrain tires. The Bronco First Edition is also the only Bronco model that comes as standard with the Lux package. This top-level trim package contains all the equipment offered in a lower trim mid and a high package equipped with cars, or SUVs. Now, the full list of equipment is as follows. Now, in the mid package, you have the two-door intelligent access with lock and unlock functionality, 110 volt, 150 watt AC power outlets, ambient footwheel lighting, auto dimming rear view mirror, dual zone electronic automatic temperature controls, heated front seats, illuminated visor mirrors, remote start system, that's on the automatic transmission only, reverse sensing system, subscription navigation with 3-month trial, Sync 4 with enhanced voice recognition, Ford Copilot 360, including pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, known as BLIS trademark with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, auto high beam headlamps, and rear view cameras with backup assist grid lines. This SUV has more than enough tricks up its sleeve. Now, the high package is the mid-package content, plus a 12-inch center stack touchscreen, 360-degree camera, additional sound deadening, forward sensing system, side view mirror, the LED approach lamps. And on the Lux package, has the high package content plus adaptive cruise control, a 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, evasive steering assist, heated steering wheel, universal garage door opener, 2 additional front row USB smart charging ports, voice activated touchscreen, navigation system, and wireless charging pad. Now, the 2021 Bronco First Edition might be most kitted up variant of the off-roader, so there's nothing else you can get with so much bling. But it's by far the most expensive, with a starting price of $59,305. And it's too late to save up because from the last thing I heard, they're all sold out. Now for the two-door model, it's a far step above the sub $30,000 base price. That said, we do expect that the first edition is going to be the one to get. This is an amazing SUV, folks. Now, a combination of the Badlands mechanical bits, which basically means that it's definitely going to be a Jeep Wrangler killer. Now the hardware that's presented on the Badlands is the 4x4 system. The optional on the lower trims, standard on the upper level models. Now the upgraded system includes a 2-speed electromechanical transfer case with an auto mode, as well as the Dana 44 Advantech solid rear axle and the Dana Advantech independent front differential. Now the system is uniquely tuned for the Badlands series. Now this is what you're going to get on the top line, top package. This baby has all of this, the first edition. The semi-active hydraulic stabilizer bar for improved stability and higher speeds. The 17-inch carbonized gray painted machine face aluminum wheels, but this one's a little different. It's actually better. You have the 35-inch tire compared to the Badlands 33. So you're getting what you pay for. The capability is just off the chain. Of course, the Sasquatch package, which brings even more hardware to the table. The Performatrack electronic locking differentials at either end for even more capability through rough terrain, as does the high clearance suspension with the position sensitive Bilston shock absorbers. Now the 4.7 to 1 final drive ratio, this is what this first edition has, and more, folks. But this is what we can keep in mind when we see this baby go by us, as a person enjoys their first edition Bronco. What an awesome SUV, folks. Everything that the Badlands have and more. A combination of the Badland mechanical bits, the Outer Banks interior treatments, and a Wildtrak slick exterior touches. It has the whole catalog of options. This is just awesome. Now we know the Bronco is known for all of its utility, its capability. The interior, you can wash the interior out with a water hose. You have all the places for your cameras. You have the places for all your goodies. You have in the back, you can pull out and have a great tailgate party. As far as going out enjoying the outdoors, being an overlander, you definitely can do that. And you definitely can move in these. High speed sand duning is something else that you can do. It's just awesome, folks. Awesome power, awesome strength. Ford Bronco. The first edition is definitely ahead of its time, folks. What a legacy. Now, the Ford Bronco off-road oriented sport utility vehicle, produced by Ford Motor Company, traditionally been a body-on-frame truck-based vehicle, but it's taken forms ranging from the mid-size like the original Bronco to the full-size Bronco built in the 1980s to 1990s. Now, this first edition is just going to be a classic, folks. Living up to the Bronco history and the heritage, with the past achievements of the Baja 1000 from 1968, 1969, 71 to 72. Now, Ford Motor Company aims to expand the Bronco nameplate across multiple models, and it has done that for the 2021 model. From the first generation being from 1966 to 1977, and the second generation being from 1978 to 1979, The third generation being from 1980 to 1986. The fourth generation being 1987 to 1991. The fifth generation being the 1992 to 1996. And the concept back in 2004 to the Ford Bronco R in 2019. And now the sixth generation, 2021. And this baby, the first edition, is just a culmination of all what Bronco is and what Bronco stands for. This SUV can leave you speechless. There's so much. Such an awesome SUV, folks. You got the awesome bars. You got the LED headlights. You have the removable roof. You have the cloth roof. You have the hard top. Basically convertible. There's so much to enjoy. So get out there and enjoy life. And if you can't get if you didn't get a first edition, well, don't worry about it. I'm sure something good is going to come everybody's way. This is Automotive Reviews. This right here is the Ford Bronco First Edition. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. And have an awesome day.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.